So Realme launched the first wireless neckband earphones in India with this. Isn't it cool? I guess it is. Well, it's a no-brainer to understand who is it competing against. The Xiaomi Mi wireless neckband? Well, that's there, and we have 3 other bestsellers on Amazon from Mivi, Samsung and Bolt. So now the question is, which is the best wireless neckband earphones to buy under 3000 rupees? And I'm only talking about neckband earphones and not the truly wireless ones. We'll have a separate video on it later this month. So this is Pratik from TechWiser.com and let's just jump into this. But before we dive into this video, here are the ones we are looking at. Bolt Audio Pro Base, Mi Neckband Bluetooth headset, Realme wireless earbuds, Samsung Original Level U, Mivi Collar wireless neckband earphones. Now, neckband earphones are slightly different from the wired and wireless ones. Due to the surrounding neck design, you get convenient media controls, better battery life and superior call quality. So now, we'll be judging these neckbands based on build, Bluetooth range, battery life, call and audio quality. Okay, let's start in the order of pricing, and first up we have the Bolt Audio Pro Base. Now, the build quality. Hang on, if you could hear this. The parts are just rattling inside. Talking about the design, on the right side of the band, we have music controls like pause, play, skip, etc. and the magnetic earbuds. Pretty standard stuff, but I did like the adjustable wire length, which is missing in Mi and Realme neckbands. Anyways, the USP of this neckband is that it can connect to 2 devices at once. For instance, you could have it connected to your laptop and smartphone at once. And when you're watching YouTube on your laptop and you get a call on your Android, it immediately switches to the other device and you can receive your call effortlessly.
But it doesn't pause the video over here, and overall it's just shoddy.
Coming to the sound, these have a slightly boosted sound and it does get distorted at higher volumes, but that's just okay. And apart from that, they sounded good. Not much to complain about. And for range, battery, call and audio quality, here's a quick rundown. These have the best range, which is probably due to the all plastic build. Rest all is just average. If you are on a budget, the Bolt Audio Curve is a good option. Next up, we have the Mi neckband earphones. Now these definitely feel better built than the Bolt ones, but they can't connect to 2 devices at once. So what's good is the sound quality. I have to say these are the most balanced earphones out of the lot. The bass is not too boosted, and if you're someone who likes to listen for longer durations while being relatively active, you would like this one. The battery life is good. It would last around 6 hours on continuous playback. The only thing to complain about is the cable length. It's too long and there's no adjustment hoops. Overall, if you're looking for a decent pair of neckband with balanced audio and decent build and call quality, go for the Mi neckband. But I prefer the next one over this. And this is the one you have been waiting for, the Realme wireless earbuds. First of all, these look pretty damn cool. I really dig the yellow and black color combination. And they also have some pretty fancy colors apart from this. Now they sound really similar to the Mi neckband with a 10% boosted bass. Like for the sound, I would pick up the Mi ones, but here's what's the USP. While all the neckbands have a magnet to keep them from dangling when not in your ears, but in Realme, as soon as you connect the magnets, the earphone goes off. Disconnected from your phone, music paused. Exactly like the OnePlus Bullet's magnetic controls, but under budget. And then when you separate them, boom, they are connected to your phone again. No matter how many times you do it, it's seamless and it's amusing as well. Another thing worth pointing out is even though the design is not bulkier, these neckbands manage to last 10 to 12 hours, while the other neckbands maxes out at about 8 hours. For audio latency, we did play PUBG with both the Mi and Realme buds, and both of them do have a lag, but quite passable. These would suit people who like to listen to music for a long time while they are studying or in office or during your daily commute. The 12 hours of battery life and magnetic music control is an added bonus. I can recommend the Realme wireless buds to most people. So up until now we tried the Bolt Audio Pro Bass, Mi wireless neckband and the Realme wireless earbuds, and all of these lack two things in particular: aptX and vibration motor. In case you don't know, normal wireless earphones work on SBC Bluetooth codec, which is subpar, average. The latest Bluetooth codec is Qualcomm aptX, and if you have aptX, there would be lesser latency and better audio quality due to lossless compression. So the design here is great. Some of you will love the canal or earbuds design as they don't go inside your ear canal. It's quite comfortable and you can hear ambient sound as well. And oh, I almost forgot that it has a vibration motor. So when you receive calls, there is good amount of vibration on the neckband and call quality is good. And you know, Samsung Level U has aptX, so the sound quality is bound to be good. But it did sound weird though, because all the time I thought the music is playing behind me and I could still hear ambient noise. I'm not used to the canal earphone design and this one clearly isn't for me. If you hate the in-ear design, Samsung Level U is the best you can get. It has great call quality, a good vibration motor and decent Bluetooth range. Good option if you don't consider yourself an audiophile. Finally, we have the MIUI Collar wireless neckband earphones. Wow, that was a mouthful. And names are suddenly getting weirder nowadays. 11 Pro Max, well, chuck it. These seem to be quite popular on Amazon and I do get the reason. The specs are incredible. You have an all-metal build, Qualcomm aptX, vibration motor, and it can connect to two devices at once, which is great and overwhelming. Also, this is the only neckband that comes with Qualcomm CVC noise cancellation, which theoretically should offer better call quality, and in our testing,
It sounded similar to every other wireless neckband earphones we have.
But here's what I didn't like. The bass was too boosted to my liking, and if you hear a lot of rap songs or vocals, the audio does get muddier and distorted at higher volumes. Apart from that, the way it feels a little bit clunky and it's hard to run with these. Additionally, this earbuds design is altogether wrong. These buds are metallic and when you plug them, they hit the ear wall, and I couldn't wear them for more than an hour. It gets really uncomfortable. If the buds are metallic, they should have been designed like this. If you don't mind the extra weight and regular discomfort, these are for you, pun intended. So which one should you get? Well, if you have a budget constraint, the Bolt Pro Bass is the best budget wireless neckband you can get, but you should really avoid it due to the poor build quality. Between the MI and the Realme one, I would definitely recommend the Realme one. These offer more value and should be a good one to rock if you don't mind the slight bass boost. And just in case, if you don't like the in-ear design, you can get the Samsung Level U, but the audio quality is really meh. You would be better off with this MIUI one. These have better call quality, audio quality, and can connect to two devices at once. And on that note, this is Prateek signing off. See you soon.